4 amazing tricks for you to change your WhatsApp fonts. Let's go!
1. Make text italic. To do so, add underscore before and after the text. In the message, the word will appear in italic. 2. Make text bold. Add an asterisk before and after the message. And send. The message will be bold. 3. Strike through message. Sometimes you want to create a dramatic effect of striking out text to represent a correction or iteration. That is possible by adding a tilde sign. 4. Combine formatting options. Whether you are using the shortcuts or the native settings, you can combine different formatting options for one word or sentence. Meaning, you can make the same text bold italic and even change its font to monospace.